What's up, my YouTube babies? And this is your girl Jess, and you guys are tuned into another episode of Vlogmas. Because last night I was like, you know what? I've been coming out here looking like not myself, so let me get my hair together to something that I actually like. I took my sew-in down, washed my hair, and basically redid it all last night. So I started on this around 7, like the process of take down of my braids, and then around 8 I ended up washing my hair. And then I did all that, took care of my natural, and then after I took care of my hair, then I basically rebraided it around 9. Got finished braiding it around 10:30 after the sectioning off in braids, and then I started sewing in probably at like 11 because I took a break in between. And from like 11:30 to 2:30, it took me to braid my hair back in, and this is the end results. And then I didn't finish my leave out part, and I did wash my bundles because at first I just put them back in last night and then washed them, but they had some, like, of course y'all seen in my previous videos, it looked kind of weighed down because the hair had product on it, but really I don't understand why. Maybe it's just because of oils or whatever. But yeah, I basically washed it this morning, let it air dry a little bit, and then I was had a block at work where I wasn't getting any new work coming in, so I just blow dried it, and now I just got finished flat ironing and hot combing my middle part, and then also doing my baby hairs. So now my hair is completely done, and like I said, with the side part, I didn't really put too much layers in it because I already knew that I wanted to do a middle part eventually, and I wanted to wait and do some like heavy layers in the middle part. But as y'all can see, this is the hair, this is the full 5 bundles. So with the middle part, because I don't know, it's just something about the middle part with my head that once I do a middle part, it's easier for me to put all the hair in my head. So at first I didn't have all the hair in my head. I probably had like almost all of it. I had like a half a track left. But once I couldn't put that half a track in, then of course technically it wasn't able to fit in my head with the side part. But with this, I fit all of the hair in my head. So this is all the hair, all 5 bundles in my head. I don't know if y'all can see. So look how full that is, and it's so damn thick. And I use this ORS heat protecting silk and shine serum. I love this stuff. And then I also use the Paul Mitchell super skinny serum on my natural hair, and I use some of this too. As y'all can see, this is the results of my hair, and I love it. Once I get off work today, I plan on going to get some more shears so I can layer and cut my hair the way I would like it, and then probably see if I can buy some more big rollers, like the ones that have like the little, I don't even know what they call. I just know they rollers, and they got like bristles on them. I have some of them from Five Below. I might go to Five Below instead because they're cheaper. But yeah, I have some from Five Below. So I need more because I want to do like the big, fluffy, layered curl look. But I don't know. I don't know if I really want to flat iron this first and then curl it after like it being flat ironed, or if I want to start off with the curls and then flat iron after the fact. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Y'all see whatever I do when I do it. But yeah, y'all, I am currently at work. It is 2:32. The workday is almost over. I've been working on clients. I have to make a few more calls to people, which I'm the type of person, like, I spread it out. Like, I'm not finna just call people back to back because first of all, I don't have that type of job anymore, thank God. But on top of that, I just be needing my time to get other little stuff done in between the day. So if I could spread out the calls, then, you know, I have that authority and choice to do so. But I do have calls to make, so yeah, your girl's gonna do that. But yeah, y'all, I'm not doing nothing right now, just working, waiting to get off so I can have my time to myself. I said I was gonna come on here and probably do a makeup look, but I don't know. I might do one, I might not. I don't know what mood I'm in. I had intentions on doing it earlier in the day because I had like a block of time at work where I wasn't getting new work. But I just ended up having so much stuff to catch up on that I didn't really do my makeup. This might be a short little vlog today too. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all that I got my motherfucking stuff together. And yeah, can't nobody say nothing about me because I did that. Period. Yep. And I got my lip chaps, so y'all won't be saying shit about these lips, baby. Suckable. A lady came to give your girl a visit, and for me not to be nothing but a short period holder, as well as I don't, you know, ministrate as much or as heavy as most women, my pain level is always on 1000. Like, I've been in so much pain these last few days, y'all. So days 3 through 6 or 4 through 6 are all gonna be combined together. And so today is actually Friday, December the 6th. Right now it's 2:47 p.m. I haven't been too long. Came back from lunch, of course. While on lunch, I had to get me a little slushie and a little treat. Boom and boom, because it's been a motherfucking hell of a week, y'all. Like, everything has just been so heavy at work, and then on top of that, like, everything has just been heavy with trying to get my life together the way that I want it to be. Because, you know, like, my life is together. Like, most people be like, oh, she got everything that she probably could want, shit is good for her. But to me, things could be 1000% better, you know. So that's why I just been, you know, in my mode, and I've been in a good mode, you know. Like, I've been thinking about everything that I want to do, everything that I'm putting my best foot forward as, or doing, or towards, because, like I said, I just want so much for myself. And this year has shown me how much or how resilient I am, and how strong I really need to be for myself moving forward. And I commend people that have like kids and other people to care for, because I care for myself and I don't have any kids, but sometimes I tend to my family at a distance, like my granny and my aunt and my mom, when they need stuff like that. And it's still hard mentally, physically, emotionally, you know, because mentally you want to like be strong for everybody. Physically, you don't have enough time in your day for yourself and for everything else. Emotionally, because like we are getting older, family members are getting older, you know, life seems to be changing for everybody. So yeah, it's just been a lot, but I'm just thankful that it's Friday. Friday is always a good day for me. The weekend is always too motherfucking short, but I'm just glad that we here, we made it, and we here to fight another day. And the day is damn near over, thank God. And last night too, I was meaning on like recording like makeup and showing y'all possibly me like cutting layers in my hair. No. Y'all, I was out sick that whole week of Thanksgiving. Like, my last day of work was the 22nd. I didn't come back till the 2nd. And that wasn't intentionally done. I was just literally sick. And I'm an account manager, so a lot of my clients that I was working with, like, I got so behind on certain stuff because I was sick. And now everybody's stuff is like due, and people are just randomly hitting me up wanting to resolve for stuff so quickly, and it's only 8 hours in a day. On top of that, I have to talk to people, email people back, review policy, review coverages. Like, it's just not enough time in a day. So after work yesterday, I actually stayed over and worked like 3 hours after I got off. So I did some overtime from like from 5 to 8:06. So I did like 3 hours of overtime, and I just tried to cut down on some of my work, and still came in today and the work was still hot because I've been pushing a lot of people back because people haven't been answering due to like the holidays and stuff. But yeah, y'all, like I said, I'm gonna get through it. I may do some overtime this weekend too, like on Sunday or something, just so I can go into next week like with everything on one accord the way that I need it to be. And yeah, y'all, I don't really have any plans or anything planned for you guys after work, you know, like I've been this week. Like I said, I might just work on layering my hair and show y'all me doing that. Because yeah, as y'all see, like I said, I just changed my hair to from that side part to this middle part. So I'm gonna probably layer my hair and go and get me some like curlers, some more curlers later from Five Below, which is like those little those big rollers that you can use with the duck pins. I'm gonna get some more of those because I got like 6 of them and I want to get like one more pack so I can have one for each side of my head. And yeah, y'all, that's really probably it. I might do my nails, but like I said, I don't think I'm gonna really show y'all me doing that. But I'm just checking in with y'all, letting y'all know that your girl is still going on strong for Vibez. Miss Redhead girl is almost gone. Oh Lord, I'm only a 3-day administrator, so once them 3 days is up, sis is sucked up like water till next month. So yeah, I'm just thankful that that's over. I can get back to regular scheduled program and get back in my vibe of pushing out this content to y'all. And I'm trying to be more active. I mean, I've been wanting to be more active on TikTok, but it's just like if they're gonna get rid of TikTok in January, then I don't want to put too much effort into a platform that's not gonna be there. Even though I got a nice little following, and I stopped being like consistent on there. I wanted to get back consistent, but I just been hesitant about TikTok because, like I said, I don't want to get on another platform and it's not really doing what it needs to do, or it's about to be removed, you know. I plan on pushing content and just being very proactive and getting shit done for y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna get through these last couple hours of work and I will probably check in with y'all later. What's up, my YouTube baby? This is your girl Jess, and y'all are checking in for the last part of this part of Vlogmas. So I just got back in the house and I wanted to show y'all these chocolates that I got from Forever Rocher from Sam's Club, but I've had these before and I didn't get a chance to record or review them. But look at the flavors. So this is dark chocolate. It's like a little chocolate candy with a chocolate ball on the inside. Then if you try Forever Rocher, it's hazelnut. And then this one is white chocolate with coconut and almond. This one, of course, is salty caramel. This is what it looked like. That's the little ball on the inside. This is, it's called Mandalery, but it tastes like a shortbread cookie. So that's really good. And then this is cappuccino. But yeah, y'all, I told y'all earlier I'm on my little lady friend and I wanted some chocolate, so I ended up getting that. And then I seen they had these because they didn't have the Celsius, so I ended up getting these V8s energy drinks. Got those. And yeah, y'all, got some more groceries, like so I got some more groceries, like some juice and some deli meat. I know certain deli meats was on a recall a few months ago, but yeah, I got deli meat, so I can make like some little croissant sandwiches. Croissant sandwiches, and bought some stuff that we needed in the house. Yeah, but I am not recording much on this vlog. I'm not really in the mood to record. So I just wanted to check in and end it off for the night, y'all. I'm probably gonna try to do some of my hair, try to curl it. I don't know. We'll see. I bought some shears earlier from the beauty supply store. Let me show y'all what I got. So earlier I ran to the beauty supply store. Let me turn this light on. Yeah. So earlier I ran to the beauty supply store and I got some more duckbill clips. I had a couple of new edge brushes just because I like the way this one looked. And then I already got one of these, so I just wanted to get a fresh one. And then I just picked up some little makeup stuff. They have this, Nicka K has this long-lasting setting spray, so I'm just a product junkie. I done bought hella new makeup, ain't even used it yet, but yeah. And then I saw that they had this pressed powder, which looks like it's my skin tone, so I just been trying to collect finishing powders that I like or I want to try. And then also I wanted to try a different brow look, so I bought this Browy Wowie tinted brow gel from yeah, I ain't even got the camera right here. I brought this Browy Wowie tinted brow gel from, who is this from? LA Colors. So yeah, I just got that because I wanted to try like to do like the natural looking brows like the UK girlies be doing. And yeah, and I just got some fresh pair of shears. I wanted the cheetah print ones, but they didn't have them, so hopefully I'll have to find those somewhere. Try to find some from what is it, Sally's. Maybe they'll have some in there. But yeah, y'all, I am about to sign the fuck out. I had got some canes earlier, didn't even finish it, so I'm finna eat that and make me another little drink. And yeah, so I'll catch y'all on Vlogmas tomorrow.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at